What is it about a waterfall? Why are we willing to expend money, time, and energy to find these natural wonders? In Cambodia, many beautiful waterfalls can be found. But if you're going to be visiting Siem Reap, don't miss visiting this mountain. So, what is it about a waterfall? Why do we feel happy when we are near one? How do you feel when you see these waterfalls in their stunning beauty? What about the deafening sound of the crashing water on boulders below? Or how do you feel if you work up the courage to stand under the frigid water? We feel alive.